Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Hassan. It is from Karnataka. Let us discuss one by one in detail. So firstly, there is a job opening for executive WH. It is from Flipkart. So let us discuss about the responsibilities and the requirements mentioned here. So firstly, I will go with the responsibilities in that you need to manage and responsible for hyper local stores operations and analyzing local store level daily performance and managing rosters of team members and shift planning basis inbound and outbound value and people management grooming of team members to scale up and solving day-to-day operational issues with the stores and the 3PL and QC check for fresh or low shelf life inventory. So coming to requirements, the candidates should speak the local language and the graduation is required and should have warehousing exposure, inward, outward operations. So these are the details about this position executive. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position or else if you want to know more detailed information about this position, you can check in the description for the link, and for all the positions you can check in the description for the links. Next one, there is a job opening for customer relationship executive position. It is from Inspire Honda, and for this the candidate should be comfortable in speaking Kannada and English, and so interested candidates you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. There is a job opening for school warden. It is from Study Point Academy. So they require two wardens for boys hostel with good communication skills in English. So BTech graduates can also apply for this position, and they are going to offer a salary would be 15,000 to 20,000 rupees per month, and you are going to get food allowance. And so 1 year of experience is required for this position. So interested candidates you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. One, there is a job opening for sales executive. It is from Ninja Cart. So let us discuss about the responsibilities and duties. So the candidate will pitch about Ninja Cart to customers and make them join the platform, and also will make ensure in Ninja Cart correct onboarding of customers, and like you need to manage customer relationships and solve customer queries and field visits, and you'll train and support clients to use Ninja Cart mobile app, and also you should ready to achieve the daily target. So these are the responsibilities. So they are going to offer a salary would be 20,000 to 24,000 rupees per month. So you please check with all the details mentioned here. So to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for delivery executives. So it is from Express Bees. And coming to requirements, you should have bike driving license, smartphone, check or original marks cards compulsory, and they are going to offer a salary would be 4,000 to 6,000 rupees per week, and it will be completely morning shift, and you should know the Kannada language, and driving license is mandatory. So interested candidates, you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for computer teacher. It is from NIIT Foundation, and they are going to offer a salary will be 16,000 to 20,000 rupees per month, and the candidates should be graduate in BCA, MCA, BTech, MTech only. So bachelor's degree is preferred. So 1 year of experience is preferred for this position, and it will be completely morning shift. And coming to skills required, you should having a good communication skills and PR skills, and able to coordinate with the school management and government officers, and knowledge of computers and understanding of coding, passion to serve the society, and comfortable in delivering training sessions to the school kids. So these are the details about this position. Interested candidates you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for NEET, NEET or JEE faculty. It is from Brigade PU College, and it will be like contract basis, like full time, and they are going to offer a salary would be 7 lakhs 80,000 to 9 lakhs 24,000 rupees per annum, and you are going to get full food allowance, and the working days would be Monday to Friday, and also supplemental pay will be performance bonus. And you can check here with the experience details. And the qualification would be BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MSc. So these candidates are eligible to apply. And coming to job description, you need to inspire students to achieve extraordinary results by playing the role of an ideal guru, and classroom teaching average 6 hours a day, and high quality content development and time bound academic service delivery. You need to like submit these documents mentioned here. Please go through with all the details mentioned here, and you can also check in the description for the link to apply for these positions. One, there is a job opening for motor vehicle technician. It is from Sri Subramania Motors. So minimum 1 year of experience is required, and the qualification would be diploma or BE in engineering in automobile, and they are going to offer a salary would be 1 lakh rupees per annum, and the provident fund will be there, and supplemental pay will be overtime pay and performance bonus, and yearly bonus will be there. So it will be completely day shift. So interested candidates, you can check in the description for the link. One, there is a job opening for recruitment executive. It is from Inspire Solutions. Key skills: IT recruitment and good communication skills are required. And coming to required experience and qualifications, you should be having minimum 1 to 5 years of experience in IT recruitment and experience in team handling, excellent communication skills, and able to work on fast-paced environment with the quality output. So these are the details. You can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. One, there is a job opening for higher secondary teacher. It is from Study Point Academy, and they are going to offer a salary will be 25,000 to 30,000 rupees per month, and you are going to get the food allowance and yearly bonus, and 3 years of experience is preferred for this position. So you can check here with all the details, and for more detailed information you can check in the description for the link. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.